Recover your CRA account. Hello viewers, today you are going to learn how to recover your CRA account. So let's get started. If you want to recover your CRA account, first go to CRA My Account login page. Then click CRA register or forward your user ID. Then enter the required details, your social insurance number, your date of birth, postal code and a tax year amount. Then follow the prompts to retrieve your user ID via email or mail. If you need to reset your password, select forget your password on the login page and enter your user ID and follow the steps. Password reset may involve answering security questions or receiving a verification code via email or phone. If online recovery does not work, call the CRA helpline 1-800-959-8281 for individuals or 1-800-959-5525 for businesses. And that's how you will be able to recover your CRA account.